which I guess I should be grateful for, but there's loads of smoke. It's way too smoky. I'm going to need to do a bit of engine work. I'm thinking definitely valves, valve seals, check those and replace them, maybe some piston wire as well. Hopefully it's just a piston and the barrel isn't too far gone, because then I'll have to get a new barrel and that'll put back some time. Yeah. The exhaust is leaking a bit between the pipe and the engine, so I'll probably just put some exhaust paste on that when it comes to putting it all back together, and that should fix that. Other than that, yeah.